Well, new tonight, should guns be allowed in state parks? A recent court ruling is putting the issue in Connecticut's crosshairs.
Fox 61's Matt Caron is live in Bloomfield to tell us about the legal battle already underway. Matt.
Well, the weather is getting nicer, and that means more people are going to be getting outside. And of course, Connecticut's state parks are a popular destination. But should the people who frequent them be allowed to carry a firearm? A federal appeals court overturned a lower court decision last week that upheld Connecticut's law banning guns in state parks.
The Second Circuit agreed with us.
Attorney Cameron Atkinson successfully argued the case, claiming the state law violates the Second and 14th Amendments.
No doubt in my mind that there's no historical support for this law and that it should be declared unconstitutional.
In this 9-page summary judgment, the court said, "We have considered the state's arguments and find them to be without merit." But people in parks told Fox 61 they wouldn't feel comfortable around a firearm.
I don't think there's any really a good reason to have a gun in a park. I just think it's as I mentioned before, a potential accident waiting to happen. We take our kids here, our grandkids and so forth here, and I don't want to have a gun around.
The State Department of Energy and Environmental Protection argued the law is old and officials don't even enforce it. Yet on March 19th, DEEP confirmed it responded to Sleeping Giant State Park in Hamden for a report that an individual brandished a weapon.
We're asking the courts to give us the right to protect ourselves back in state parks.
There's other ways to protect yourself, and there's, if you feel like you're ever in danger, you could always make a plan for yourself.
Despite parts of the ban dating back to 1918, the entire statute was enacted in 1993 and most recently amended in 2017. It's hard to see how that would make it so outdated as to suggest the state is no longer enforcing it, said the court. Now, this ruling doesn't all of a sudden make it legal for guns to be used in state parks, but it does reopen the issue for further debate. As we were traveling to several state parks today, they do have signs posted that say no hunting allowed in the state park. But even that really isn't true, because on DEEP's website, you can hunt for certain animals with certain weapons during certain seasons at certain state parks. We have more information on that on our website, fox61.com. We're live in Bloomfield. Matt Caron, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.